And then on the 4th February, na make us in we studio has said the prophecy that Prophet L. Bernard gave. No, so very any promise no the one winning, but there was something specific I can say. Kennedy LED party no. Sadia ne da so hand.
Asem no can no can. Mu say it is done deal for Baumia. Rephrase. Nyankopon say masam ma emma kwa ade se bana baba ye ne say ye. Asem na L. Bernard e Sean Kaya no. It will come to pass. Hello, hi, Xposed GX. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share me to my now sa akabi. It's explosion time, exposing time. Me ba be cast, me da se bu ya be ke wo. Me be decode. I bi wa so netie. MPP primary school so L. Bernard e Sean. Okoshen come am mem. And men kofo bi twetwe no. Now one man that I also respect when it comes to prophecy, your friend Roja. Waka sembi. Na sem no kan no person ko tie nearby me dissect na ma decode no hu ne oba kire.
Papa ne date you say. And then on the 4th January na February na make us in we studio has said the prophecy that Prophet L. Bernard gave. No, so very any promise no the one winning, but there was something specific I can say. Kennedy LED party no. Sadia ne da so hand yo. Me say, believe it or leave it. Me say, Sadia no. Eda so hang yo.
Say Kennedy the belly the party.
Only the party no. Eda so hang yo no. And koi.
Only the say say. Tell me na we.
Ye kasa chiro benyansa fo. Tina me say me dia reho na e ka asem we. Na di owa aso no. Ontie. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, he's a very good man. Me penasem, me peneyirasem. Me penipa one in change nasem. Your message be one man, kabit me akoni pa change dia command. But they be the command on kukuo mu a one fan serious. But the American say, ye nyina ye wa adwuma ye. Dr. Baumia wa adwuma ye. Nkrofo wa adwuma ye. Na niema bi da so hangi wiem.
But Kennedy is leading the party.
Sasem na Prophet L. Bernard kan ye. Enye nim commission ni nyina o. Eno ketua bi na e wo ho no. E da so hangi ho no. And then Crawford they know it say. But Obama yan to aso.
They yan to aso na. Me mentia say na me ntime mbusa bibia o. Ade a wonti ase odun nisa. Nti yan to aso.
Yan to aso.
Me man ni so there. Dr. Baumia win the election.
Hands down.
Order the LED party.
Party ni sisi ono na LED party.
But sunsu modi.
But sasem na Prophet L. Bernard kan ye no. E wo sunsu mu. E da so hange ho.
Second in the LED.
Second in the LED party no. E da so hange ho. Okuni nchai o.
Where?
Okuni nchai.
Then twaso.
And the betimi the hange ni betimi afri ho. But that is where nipa ni beba no so.
That's what me dey.
Enya se bibi e wo se bibi no sisi ya ye kase kura bibi ni sha ase ekoso.
Asem no can no can. Mu say it is done deal for Baumia. Rephrase. Nyankopon say masam ma emma kwa ade se bana baba ye ne say ye. Asem na L. Bernard e Sean Kaya no. It will come to pass. I makachao. Prophecy ni bi wo ho you need to decode it. You need to dissect it. L. Bernard e Sean ohun say ye peja Kennedy sa e wo Ghana akunwa so, but one hwe ankwa akire because yam peja ni sa primaries no. Tie ye Yera Kennedy in Japan 2029 he will sit on the throne. Me na make a come send a bind. You don't know, you don't understand. You think God say things that he doesn't want to do? Before time, Yera Kennedy obi ban office. Obeka chance papa get ready now by the president of Ghana. Certain na Yera Kennedy or near na be so obey even running for any public office. He wasn't ready. Asama Mikens, it was over 20 years ago. Go and ask Kennedy. And then be the moment na mo Sa asem no kan 20 years ago no, Baba manifested 2029. Me. So I don't know how. I don't know how it's going to be. But ye ja how no to God. And Christopher, sometimes no, yet prophecy now, we want to know the how. But the how, you don't have to know it. The how, you leave it for God. It's how no na eba beba no. I want to jubilate no. How no na eba beba, because I have seen and I know said the time has come for Yera Kennedy to be the president of Ghana. And it's something that God himself wished and has said it will happen. And it started when Yera Kennedy started exposing the rot in the Christianity world. Or started so exposing people like Nigeria, and then Wakojina ho efa insuo and the agu say ono no ma Kennedy every year. What do you mean? Only focal. Prophets na mo jubilating no. Watch out, because you see what God has said, no man can overturn it. And I'm saying this on all authority. Say I don't know how it's going to happen, but all I know is that 2029, Yera Kennedy Japan is going to be the next president of Ghana. You might decide to believe it or not. He's going to be, and he's going to make sure, say, every nation will hear. And you will see the glory of God being manifested. Nyame pese oya de bi che Ghana. Na Ghana fo hu se oye nyame. When Yera John Mahama elusu election, no, people were saying it was over for Yera John Mahama. But now him say, El Bernard Bekan Sembi Kacha and say, God will bring this man back to the presidency, and when he comes, Ghana will what? Ghana will rise again. Today, Ghana has become the poster boy of IMF. It has become the shining star of Africa. It's Sanya Mino Kacha El Bernard, no. Sapap El Bernard na so or share Kintakin come time na on this side post or see you become a king in the what Accra. Sanya mino no kasa kire no and then go fonti omo twetwe no na na mo omo twetwe no watch out and get ready, because tsunami never no munima kamakoto. Maybe there as the events unfold, I'll bring to you back to back. 2028 is going to be an interesting year. And now you can say, and Ramiti, I say, look at here. Was it, have your life changed? No. Or say, Mama, Wabo, have your life changed? Obviously, no. Or say, then vote for somebody who change your life. Cracks are opening up in NDC. 2027, 2028. Say NDC and take time and they will break up into 3 parts. Mark my word. Me say 2028, NDC will break up. Because cracks never is going to dip in. Until don't laugh. You say, who say obiafu oshia. Sa insuo na odi gusu no double esi odi ho. Because if you need the swa, na bounce. And then omako primaries, BBNC. But the tables are still turning. And it will turn in favor. Nyame say, and I mean, Nyame can say, let all men be liars, and let Yehovah be truthful. I know the word I'm saying. I expose GHFM, subscribe, share. But the 2 man I can be Manuels.